Hi there, welcome to my cooking class. It's Jacqueline here, and today's installment is how to save you money using your coupons at the grocery store. I actually was shopping with Save On and I noticed that they had whole chickens on 2 for 1. Yeah, so these chickens, each one of them was roughly about $20, 19 something. And so if I bought one, I would save myself approximately $20. What a deal. So of course I had to grab them. And what are we gonna do with the chicken? Well, I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do with the chicken. Today we're going to make rotisserie chicken. This is so darn easy to make at home. It's almost like a set it and forget it kind of meal, except we're going to do one of two things. You can use your conventional oven here, and the directions actually say, cook this for 400 degrees for 65 to 70 minutes. We can do that. I don't have that kind of time, and I do know that if I use my multi-purpose steamer, I'm gonna cook this chicken in its own juices in literally minutes. So here's the microwave instructions. Cover and cook on high in my microwave for approximately 20 minutes or until the internal temperature is 180 degrees Fahrenheit. I can do that. So what I'm using is our rotisserie chicken seasoning, and what this has in it, and I love this, it has paprika. And when you put paprika on your meat and you're microwaving it, it naturally browns it. It does, it has that nice flavor and coloring of a rotisserie chicken. It also has a little bit of cornstarch in there, so it sticks. Of course, we've got garlic, sea salt, sumac, chili powder, so it's got a little bit of a zip, some herbs, and some black pepper. Exactly what you'd need to do this. Now, on the packaging, you notice they've got lemon in it. You can stuff your chicken with different things. So some people like putting garlic cloves in there. You can shove lemon in there to make it extra super moist. I've just coated this chicken with our rotisserie. Now I didn't have to put oil or anything on it. Basically, you're gonna turn it upside down. I've already done this so I don't get my hands all icky. But you start it with your breast pointed down. You sprinkle half of your package on top, and then you're going to flip it around and you're gonna sprinkle the rest. Now, this is the easy part. You're gonna make sure you put your lid on, but make sure that when you put the lid on your multi-purpose steamer, that you have the vents facing away from you, right? Because steam is hot. And also there's handles here. Now you can make the the rotisserie chicken in our round steamers, because the round steamer actually has thicker walls. I actually like the square steamer myself better. I find it just works better for me, especially for the size of chicken that I have. So I'm literally going to go to my microwave now. I'm gonna throw this in for approximately 20 minutes. I'm gonna check with my thermometer. I'll show you what it looks like. And then it's simply a matter of peeling your chicken off the bone. You can serve it that night, or you can start using some other ideas. So let's just get this started and I'll be right back. Okay, so my timer has just gone off on the microwave, so I am going to go over there and grab that rotisserie chicken. Let's see what it looks like. Are you ready? So my chicken is almost done to 1 second. It is done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly grab it for you so you can see what it looks like. Again, remember I said when you're putting the lid on that you should make sure that the vents are away from you, and of course not close to the handles, because it's been in the microwave for 20 minutes or until the internal temperature gets to 180 degrees, okay? Okay, you can see it is steaming hot. And doesn't that look amazing? Now, let's see if I can get a little bit. Do you see that shininess? That is the juice. And so when you do the rotisserie chicken, I'm gonna tell you, it is gonna be so super, super moist for you. Now, the juice that's in here has got all the flavor of that rotisserie seasoning that I had made with it. And this will make a really nice gravy. If you were around in the season, you probably got our savory herb gravy, which is again a gluten-free base, but any gravy mix you want, you can use. So I'm just gonna grab a couple forks here and I'm just gonna transfer it to the plate. And it's literally wanting to fall apart. Okay, so here's the juice I was talking about. That can be your gravy. Yum. And just the flavorings of that rotisserie will be enough to, like, you can just add your cornstarch and water or your flour and water, whatever that looks like. Literally fall off the bone chicken. So I'm gonna grab my ceramic knife just to give you an idea. This is piping hot, by the way. So I'm just going to slice down the breastbone here. And you'll notice it literally just falls apart. Look at that. Can you see? Maybe I should turn this a bit. How amazing is that? It literally falls off the bone. You can grab your chicken legs, chop them off. And if you want a crispier, just so you know, if you want a crispier crust, although a crust, skin I should say, if you want, take the lid off the last little bit and just put it in your oven and let it dry out without the lid. That will take away some of this. I mean, it is not by any means not crisp. Well, it's not crispy, but it is not, you know, oozy goozy icky at all. It's going to have lots and lots of flavor. But again, like I said, this you can literally just slice off. And you can be using this for, gosh, salads, chicken salad. You can serve this fresh the night that you make it. Let's just pull this off. Take a look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? So imagine that you just slice this and you're putting it on top of a salad. You can serve it with a potato, a fresh salad. How amazing. And I'm gonna tell you, you've never had anything so moist. I'm just gonna grab this. Look at how moist that is. Delicious. Now, isn't this worth getting that multi-purpose steamer and the rotisserie chicken? And like I said, if you're not a microwave fan, you would sooner use this in the oven. This is good up to 450 degrees. These rotisserie chicken packages are sold in sets of 3. And I love, love, love them. So guys, I hope you saw how absolutely amazing this is, how easy it is. And imagine, you don't have to go to the store and have that dried out rotisserie ever again. You are going to have such a moist, flavorful rotisserie chicken that your family and you will absolutely love. So thank you for coming in to check out today's cooking class. Wasn't that so easy? Almost like a set it and forget it. Take care, everyone. Thanks again. We'll chat with you again really soon. Bye-bye.